Hey everyone, Jason here, aspiring entrepreneur, and I'm exhausted. I woke up way too early this morning, headed over to the library to return a bunch of CDs on tape, or CDs, books. I want to say books on tape, but then I tried to say CDs. CDs, books on CDs. That just doesn't sound right, books on CDs. To return a bunch of books on CDs, then headed over to my favorite coffee shop and just jammed out building an analytics model for a project I've been working on in the background. But that will come out in like 3 to 6 months because it will take that long to test to make sure that the entire model is working, and then I get to share it with you guys. And speaking of lots of testing and sharing with you guys, today I wanted to do the final wrap-up round conclusion, I don't know, whatever cool clickbait-ish title or style video this could be for YouTube ads. So I'm going to share my 3 biggest lessons learned after spending over $2,000 on YouTube ads over the past 6.5, 7 months or so. So big lesson number 1 is similar audience is the way to go if you want anything. If you want clicks off YouTube, if you want to grow your audience, you want more targeted views, you want actual good quality views, similar audience is definitely the way to go. And the reason I think it's the way to go is number 1, unless you have like a few 100,000 subscribers, targeting your own audience is going to be extremely expensive. And so similar audience is a great way to do that. However, if you don't have a similar audience didn't start working for me until around 8,000 subs, so only a few months ago. And so if you don't have similar audiences set up, then the next best step to do is to use channels. So channels definitely beat all of the other types of targeting that I've tested. The only type of targeting that I actually go back and test is using keywords, but you're gonna wanna do SKAGs or single keyword ad groups if you decide to get that advanced. But if you're just looking for driving leads off YouTube, driving sales, or driving more views or subscribers, then similar audience, other channels, those are the top 2 ways to go. You can test all the other elements like search or suggested or this country or this time of day or that time of day. I'll leave that fun part up to you. But the biggest thing I wanted to share with you is how I got 76-ish cents clicks. And to give you some context, when I first ran in-stream ads for a webinar offer and then a free affiliate offer, both of those had cost per clicks above $1. My minimum was around 95 cents and my max was around $1.50. So it averaged out to about $1.25, which for both of those offers was not profitable. However, a couple weeks ago, I partnered with Kicksta.co for a promoted post, and I followed the Real Men, Real Style kind of pitch approach, and that is integrating an affiliate product inside of a video. So if you're interested on how to do that, go ahead, check out Real Men, Real Style and Antonio. He does an amazing job of delivering content and selling a product, pretty much whatever he's promoting that day inside of the content. So I kind of followed his lead for that. But what I did is inside this video, I had 4 calls to action to click on the link in the description to Kicksta.co, and I ran a variety of different types of Discover ads. And when I say a variety, I ran 10 different campaigns, is what you can kind of see in the background or the screenshot right here. And what I found is that even though it was a normal content video, it wasn't popping up, there weren't links on the video or even in the cards to click, I still got 160 or 159 clicks off of $132 ad spend, which came out to about 76, 77 cents per click. Now, there's no real way to track this. Like, there's a lot of manual tracking involved, and there's going to be a lot of manual tracking that I'll have to set up with some of my Google Sheets and Smart Sheets in the future to make this successful. But if you're looking for clicks off of YouTube and you're looking for dirt cheap clicks off of YouTube, actually promoting your video, promoting a content video that promotes whatever you want people to click through to is the best way to do it via a discovery ad and just have the link at the top. Now, what's very important to note is your video is not going to rank very well and not going to get very many views. As soon as I turned off the ads, the traffic just went like this to the video because YouTube saw that I kept driving people off of YouTube over and over and over again. So I'm going to have to do some follow-up things to kind of re-rank the video and make sure the video continues to get views. But 76-cent clicks is pretty freaking awesome. And so that's all I have for you today. There'll be another vlog coming real soon because we're coming up on 10,000 subscribers. And it's time to kind of look back and do a giant reassessment of where I'm at, because as successful as I think this channel is going, the views are not coming in as much as I thought for 10,000. and the actual growth rate. The growth of the channel is steady, but the growth rate of that growth is not growing. And so I'm trying to figure out why I'm stalling and where I possibly need to pivot, especially because the income that the channel's producing is just not even close to my targets at all, and I'm halfway through the year already, so I might have to make a pretty big change. And of course, if you're struggling with the outputs of what you're doing, of course, go ahead and look at the inputs, and that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at how am I spending my time, and how is it that I thought I would be doing XYZ to produce result ABC. So it's not that the result is wrong, it's what I'm putting in is wrong, it's the work that I'm currently doing is wrong, so I have to figure that out. Hopefully that made sense. That was a little nebulous, and I'm kind of rambling now because I'm trying to get better at having these vlogs super fast. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any final YouTube ads questions, and check out the link in the description to the 54-minute YouTube ads tutorial. It is the ultimate YouTube ads tutorial. It goes A to Z, everything you need, like my entire playbook. All 2K of that ad spin and the 7 months of testing is in that content video. So until the next vlog or video, keep building the business you love.